Welcome to the heart of Airbus, where innovation takes flight. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore the production of the iconic Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner. Our journey begins in Toulouse, France, where the final assembly line for the A380 is located. Here, skilled engineers and technicians meticulously assemble the various components of the aircraft. Fuselage sections are manufactured in Nantes, France, and then transported to Toulouse for final assembly. Meanwhile, in Broughton, Wales, the massive wings of the A380 take shape. These wings, spanning nearly 80 meters, are a marvel of engineering. In Stade, Germany, the horizontal tailplanes are meticulously crafted and prepared for integration into the aircraft. In Hamburg, Germany, the luxurious cabin interiors of the A380 are installed, ensuring the ultimate comfort for passengers. Finally, back in Toulouse, each A380 undergoes rigorous testing and quality checks to ensure it meets the highest standards of safety and performance. And with that, another Airbus A380 is ready to take to the skies, connecting people and cultures around the world. Let's dive deep into the video. Welcome to our comprehensive exploration into the production of the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner. In this series, we'll take you through the entire production process, from the initial design and planning stages to the final delivery of the aircraft to airlines. But first, let's delve deeper into understanding the Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 is a marvel of modern aviation, first conceived in the 1980s but developed as a program on the 19th of December 2000. It was designed to revolutionize long-haul travel and compete with Boeing's long-haul aircraft. With its double-deck layout, it can carry more than 800 passengers in a typical two-class configuration and up to 853 passengers in a full economy class configuration, making it an attractive option for airlines looking to maximize their passenger capacity. But the Airbus A380 isn't just about size, it's also about innovation. Its advanced wing design, made from lightweight composite materials, allows for greater fuel efficiency, reducing CO2 emissions per passenger. Its passenger comfort features, such as quieter cabins, wider seats, and more legroom, set new standards in the aviation industry. It also boasts of advanced entertainment systems and connectivity options for passengers. The Airbus A380 has had a significant impact on the aviation industry. It has influenced airport design, with airports around the world having to upgrade their facilities to accommodate its size. It has also changed the way airlines think about long-haul travel, with many choosing to use the A380 on their busiest and most profitable routes. So why did Airbus decide to develop the A380? The main reason was to meet the growing demand for air travel. With passenger numbers predicted to double every 15 years, Airbus saw a need for a larger, more efficient aircraft. The A380 was designed to alleviate congestion at busy airports by carrying more passengers per flight and thus reducing the number of flights needed. In the following chapters, we'll take a closer look at the production process of the Airbus A380. We'll visit the various production sites across Europe, see how the different parts of the aircraft are assembled, and learn about the rigorous testing procedures that each aircraft undergoes before it's ready for commercial use. We'll also discuss the challenges faced during the production process and how Airbus overcame them. So stay tuned as we embark on this fascinating journey into the world of Airbus A380 production. If you're enjoying this journey so far, please hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be notified as soon as we release videos like this. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications directly. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth and comprehensive content, and we appreciate every like, share, and comment. If you have any questions or thoughts about what we've covered so far, or if there's something specific you'd like us to address in the upcoming videos, please let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll dive into the design and planning phase of the Airbus A380. This is where the initial concept was born, and where the blueprint for the world's largest passenger airliner was created. The initial concept for the Airbus A380, known then as the A3XX by Airbus in 1994, was to create an aircraft that could compete with Boeing's monopoly on the long-haul market. Airbus wanted to create an aircraft that was not only larger, but also more efficient and comfortable for passengers. The design process for the Airbus A380 was a complex one. It involved thousands of engineers from across Europe and took several years to complete. The design team had to consider a range of factors, from the aerodynamics of the aircraft to the comfort of the passengers. They used advanced computer modeling techniques to create a virtual prototype of the aircraft, which was then tested and refined until they had a design that met all their criteria. One of the key aspects of the design was the choice of materials. The Airbus A380 is made from a mix of advanced materials designed to reduce weight and increase fuel efficiency. This includes lightweight aluminum alloys, carbon fiber reinforced plastic, and glare, a unique material made from layers of aluminum and glass fibers. Planning for the production of the Airbus A380 was another major task. With parts being manufactured in different locations across Europe, logistics was a significant challenge. Airbus had to coordinate the production and transportation of parts to the final assembly line in Toulouse, France. This involved transporting large sections by sea, road, and air, using specially designed ships, trucks, and the Beluga transport aircraft. The design and planning phase was not without its challenges. The size and complexity of the Airbus A380 meant that Airbus had to overcome numerous technical and logistical hurdles. But with innovative solutions, such as the use of virtual reality in the design process and the creation of a dedicated transportation network, Airbus was able to bring the vision of the A380 to life. In the next chapter, we'll take a closer look at the manufacturing and assembly process of the Airbus A380. We'll see how the various parts are made and how they come together to form the world's largest passenger airliner. So, stay tuned as we continue our journey into the world of Airbus A380 production. This is where the design comes to life, and the various parts of the Airbus A380 start to take shape. The manufacturing process of the Airbus A380 is a truly international effort. Parts of the aircraft are produced in various sites across Europe. The wings are manufactured in Broughton, UK, while the fuselage sections are made in Hamburg, Germany, and Saint-Nazaire, France. The tail fin is produced in Stade, Germany, and the horizontal tailplane in Getafe, Spain. Each of these parts is then transported to the final assembly line in Toulouse, France. This is no small feat given the size of the parts. Airbus uses a combination of sea, road, and air transport to move the parts from the production sites to Toulouse. The larger sections are transported by the specially designed Beluga transport aircraft, one of the most voluminous cargo carriers in the world. Once all the parts have arrived in Toulouse, the assembly process begins. This takes place in a specially designed hangar, large enough to accommodate the size of the A380. The process starts with the joining of the fuselage sections, followed by the fitting of the wings. The tail fin and horizontal tailplane are then attached, and the aircraft starts to take shape. The next stage is the fitting out of the interior. This includes the installation of the seating, the galleys, and the lavatories, as well as the wiring for the in-flight entertainment system. Once the interior is complete, the aircraft is painted in the airline's livery. The final stage is the installation of the engines. The Airbus A380 uses 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP7000 engines, depending on the airline's preference. Once the engines are fitted, the aircraft is ready for testing. The manufacturing and assembly process of the Airbus A380 is a testament to the power of international collaboration and logistical planning. In the next chapter, we'll delve into the rigorous testing procedures that each aircraft undergoes before it's ready for commercial use. So stay tuned as we continue our journey into the world of Airbus A380 production. This is a critical phase in the production process, ensuring that each aircraft is safe, reliable, and ready to take to the skies. The testing process begins with ground tests. These tests are designed to check the structural integrity of the aircraft and its systems. This includes static tests, where the aircraft is subjected to loads and stresses that it would experience during flight, and fatigue tests, where the aircraft is subjected to repeated stresses to simulate the effects of many years of operation. Next comes the flight tests. These are conducted by Airbus's team of test pilots and involve a series of maneuvers to test the aircraft's performance and handling. The aircraft is pushed to its limits, with tests including high-speed runs, steep climbs and descents, and tight turns. The flight tests also include a series of system checks, such as engine performance, navigation systems, and safety features. In parallel with the flight tests, the Airbus A380 also undergoes cabin tests. These tests are designed to ensure the comfort and safety of passengers. They include tests of the seating, the galleys, the lavatories, and the in-flight entertainment system. The cabin is also subjected to environmental tests, such as temperature and humidity tests, to ensure that it can provide a comfortable environment for passengers in all conditions. Once the Airbus A380 has passed all its tests, it moves on to the certification process. This is conducted by aviation authorities, such as the European Union Aviation Safety Agency and the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the United States. The certification process involves a review of the test results and an inspection of the aircraft. Only once the aircraft has been certified can it be delivered to the airline. The testing and certification process of the Airbus A380 is a testament to the commitment to safety and quality in the aviation industry. In the next chapter, we'll delve into the final stages of the production process, including the delivery of the aircraft to the airline and the entry into service. So, stay tuned as we continue our journey into the world of Airbus A380 production. The delivery process begins once the Airbus A380 has been certified. The aircraft is prepared for delivery at the Airbus Delivery Center in Toulouse, France. Here, the aircraft is given a final inspection by the airline's technical team. Once the airline is satisfied, the delivery ceremony takes place. This is a significant event, often attended by representatives from the airline, Airbus, and the media. Once the Airbus A380 has been delivered, it's ready for its first commercial flight. But the relationship between Airbus and the airline doesn't end there. Airbus provides a comprehensive after-sales service to support the operation of the aircraft. This includes maintenance and repair services. Airbus provides airlines with detailed maintenance manuals and also offers training for maintenance personnel. In addition, Airbus has a global network of service centers that can provide repair services and supply spare parts. Airbus also provides training for pilots and crew. This includes simulator training for pilots, where they can practice flying the Airbus A380 in a range of conditions. Cabin crew also receive training on the features of the aircraft and how to operate the cabin systems. Finally, when an Airbus A380 reaches the end of its service life, Airbus provides support for the decommissioning and recycling of the aircraft. This includes the safe disposal of materials and the recycling of parts that can be reused. The delivery and after-sales service process of the Airbus A380 is a testament to the long-term commitment that Airbus makes to its customers. From the moment an Airbus A380 is delivered to the moment it's retired, Airbus is there to support the airline and ensure that the aircraft provides reliable, efficient service. And that concludes our comprehensive exploration of the Airbus A380. From the initial design and planning stages to the final delivery and after-sales service, we've seen how this remarkable aircraft is brought to life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Airbus A380 production. As we close the book on our comprehensive exploration of the Airbus A380, we hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. From the drawing board to the skies, the story of the Airbus A380 is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of international collaboration. If you've enjoyed this series and would like to stay updated on our future explorations into the world of aviation and beyond, please hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to also click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release a new video. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth and comprehensive content, and we appreciate every like, share, and comment. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments section. Thank you for joining us on this journey at Flight Realities, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, safe travels and blue skies.